Just coming down a side street here. Talked to a guy there. His house is pretty well toast. Nothing he could really do now except for wait it out. Trying to figure out where I am right about now. I'm on a gravel path. Like through the trees, which you can't really see right now. This river is raging. Like I've never ever seen before in my life. This thing is out of control. I'm gonna see if I can get through the bush here where it's shallow and maybe get some close-ups to where, but I know some of these channels are gonna be swept pretty deep. Like right in through here. It's see if I can zoom in here through the trees. There we go. You're looking at the elbow. Never ever seen it like this. I don't know if I can cross this or not. Well, I might be able to. Yeah, I can. Still not too strong. I can get a better look here. Hopefully without getting swept away. Here we go. That is intense. There's buckets, garbage, all kinds of goods laying around. The trees are full of rocks.